All right, gang, just wrapping up our World Tai Chi and Qigong Day event. Looks like you guys enjoyed that. It's always interesting to me watching people do healing work on each other, because even people who are not like into it, so to speak, like, or who have never done it, it's always so interesting to me because of the energy that I see around people after they work on each other. You know, one of the stories I like to tell is a guy who, we were at a physical therapy place and I was teaching a program, and this guy could barely like stand, and he stood. He actually raised his hand and asked me after 2 hours why he was still standing. And I never met him, so I'm like, oh, I don't know, like, you know. And then his physical therapists were like, yeah, he can't stand. And I did see them like kind of hovering around the guy the whole time, like concerned he was going to fall down or something. And so anyway, even after like 2 hours of doing Qigong or something like that, it was like an hour and a half, we did like a healing exchange, and this room was packed and we had no chairs. So I had him do it standing. And so they were doing healing work, and he's literally sitting there and he's hovering like this and he's teetering, doing healing work on this young woman. And I mean, both of them were glowing. It was like amazing. And then when the whole thing was over, he stood at the front. There was a front desk or whatever. He stood at the front desk, and everybody that came by, he's like, I'm still standing. And he's like, I'm still standing because of Qigong. And he just kept saying it, and like everybody left. And then he's like, I'm still standing. I'm like, okay, all right, good for you, you know. And anyway, it's pretty funny. But to watch someone who looked like they didn't even have enough energy to do healing, get that energy through Qigong practice, then go, like he was trying. It's like, I could tell, he's like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm like, I'm going to do it. And to see the glow that came off of both of those people with that exchange, and I saw that when I was looking around at those of you who are kind of working on each other. So it's just such an interesting thing because we just haven't been educated in this, most of us. It's not like in our everyday consciousness. It's not what we do, you know. And but for me it is. I've been doing it now for years and getting other people to do it. And it's just so amazing to watch people go from doing Qigong, doing a little bit of meditation, doing healing work on each other. And if you understand that all of those three categories, which are the primary categories of any seminar or anything, like any bigger program that I teach, those are kind of like the primary categories. Practice Qigong, do some meditation, do some healing work on people, and then repeat it. Like that's what we'll do for 2 days or whatever the thing is. That combination of repeating, you get the energy for yourself, you build it up. You pay a little bit of it forward by helping somebody else. Somewhere in there you had meditation, either before or after or both. But that cross-training like that, I've just watched so many people come in, and whenever we do the 2-day program, Saturday is usually the heaviest. And people will travel in from around the country and stuff, and people jet lag and the whole 9 yards. And you could just see the heaviness, and then literally Sunday, it just gets lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter, and then by Sunday afternoon, like people are glowing. And it's even the same with today. In comparison to where people were glowing and how they're glowing now, all of your auric fields are expanded. Like brighter eyes, brighter light around the head, the whole 9 yards. So the more that you do it, the more you see it, the more you feel what it feels like. To me, it's something that you'll become... you'll want to do again, let's just say that. How often, who knows, but you'll at least be like, I did that, and that was very interesting, and somebody will say their knee hurts, and you go work on their knee, and or whatever the thing is, somebody's got a headache. These are all techniques and so on that you can use, okay? So thanks for coming out today. Thanks again to, I got to get the sign, Taylor. Because we never brought the sign into the camera because my sign girl left. She's dancing. Thanks to the Love, Peace, Amen Foundation, but she made this. Bella made this one. So it's very nice, very nicely done. For sponsoring this event on our World Tai Chi and Qigong Day, this has been, you guys can tell people for years to come. In 2026, On the last weekend in April, on the Saturday, World Tai Chi and Qigong Day, I went and I practiced in Wilmington. I remember the trees, I remember this, I remember that, and then you can spread the word. So thanks very much for being here. Nice to meet you all, and have a great rest of the weekend. Thank you. Thank you.